Grasping the bird's tail number 5 sequence. This follows a kind of a long sequence called partition of the wild horse's mane. And this one uses what we call replace step, a little bit different stepping than we've been doing. All right, so let me demonstrate. After parting the wild horse's mane, ward off left, ward off right, roll back, press, and push. Susan. So following parting of the wild horse's mane. See, punching. Now, this is similar to the very first one we did, which was the very first ward off, but she came in with the whole right side. When she punched me, I was able to close her up and step behind her because this leg was out in front. Then I could throw her over my leg. In this case, she's got her left foot forward, so I cannot step behind her. So I do a move, the same kind of move, but and this time I'm just going to hit her in the ribs or hit her in the chest or hit her someplace. So it's very similar, only it's a hit as opposed to a throw. It's what we call short energy as opposed to long energy. So I go to hit her, she blocks it and goes back with the energy and returns with a pushing into me. Neutralize, ward off left. She rides it back and pushes. I neutralize it to the side. She's pushing in, I neutralize it to the side, letting her energy fall away. I then close her up and apply what's called an arm bar. I'm pushing upward with this hand and downward here, up and down, and which sort of lifts her off her feet, and I go to throw her away. So her only real defense against this is to twist her arm. But I stick to her arm and turn her over. This is what we call chansu chin, or silk reeling. I reel her over. Now I could throw her down or put it, I've got another arm bar, like so. Ward off left. Ward off right. Now, as she's in this bad position, she does the same kind of thing. She breaks this hold just by twisting her arm, drops down and comes up and shoulders me and forces me back. I ride her back and just press her away. She lands on her foot and immediately follows with a straight punch right into the face, bam, which I outreach, neutralize, close her up, and push. One more time, the sequence. Neutralize, hit, neutralize, arm bar, neutralize, roll back, press, and push. Okay, so watching this sequence. Neutralize. This is called replace step. Pull her down, Step in, hit. She steps back and pushes. I neutralize, replace step, arm bar, lift and move. She tries to roll back, which I move with her, and I roll her back, arm bar. She came in with the shoulder, press away. She comes in with a push, which I neutralize, and out. Thank you.